This is the control plot with the tomatoes. About 50 days that we have sown nearly. Yeah. More than 50 days it happened. Almost all they are ripened.
It's about 65 days.
Yeah. In total about 65 days. It's like 2 months plus. And this is a 1 kg per square meter applied plot. You can see the tomatoes have increased number of tomatoes. And they are in bunches. And this is 2 kg per square meter applied plot. Biochar compost. And this is 4 kg per square meter applied Biochar compost plot. Total numbers are more altogether, where the biochar compost increased in quantity. So within 10 days time, all the tomatoes, most of them would be harvested, and then we will have proper measurement by plot in weight how many tomatoes have been harvested in total.